going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Manny's World. We're here at my house. As you can see, my roof is getting redone, and I wanted to walk you guys through the process of getting your roof redone and what you should look for, a little bit of advice that I've been learning and everything that I've been through. For a very long time after I bought my house, when I bought it, you know, they dressed it and it looked nice, but I had zero information of when it got done or when it got redone and anything that they added to it. So after 7 years of owning this house and watching the shingles slowly fly off my roof, I knew that it was time to get my roof redone. I just didn't have the time or the patience or even the know-how of how to do it until, you know, you have those people that walk up to your house and they try to sell you on stuff, whether it's solar, plumbing, gas, or anything like that. And typically I like to wave a lot of people off because I like to do research before I get people to come and redo stuff in my house, which I've invested my life into. But luckily I was working in the front yard one day, working on my van. A couple of nice gentlemen came up, very politely came up to me, asked me information about my roof, and they can see that there was shingles missing and all that kind of stuff. When people are polite, you know, I give them the time of day. I pretty much was like, you know, I want to hear what you guys have to say. They set up a meeting. Then the guys over from Aurora came over and they ran me through everything. They went through my attic. They showed me the boards that had water damage. They told me what was going to be done, what was to be expected. Also to look for, you know, what happens when you remove a roof and what might have to happen. So for me, it was a simple procedure. It can be anywhere from 15 to 30K. I had no idea what I was getting into. And considering I already had solar, there's a lot of weight on my roof. After tearing everything down and realizing that I had 3 layers of shingles and half of them were flying off, that was one thing. Another thing was all the water damage that I couldn't see. That was another thing. And then also adjusting my roof to the palleted wood that was already up there. That was pretty structurally safe. But then since I had solar panel, I wanted to wrap it with OSB roofing board, and they did all that. Now they're putting down the shingles and getting everything ready. But I just wanted to give you guys a highlight reel of how people redo the roof. And also I wanted to shout out Aurora Roof for working with me, working through the process with things I didn't want to hear. They were really patient and letting me know, like, hey, this is why we're doing it this way. We want to do it one time. You get a 25-year warranty. Let's do it right so that you can have a nice home. So here we are. And if you guys have any question about Aurora Roof, you guys can email me. The email will be in the link below, and then I can pass you guys on, and hopefully your house can stay safe, dry, and last another 25 years. So let's get to it. Enjoy the process.
guys, welcome to Manny's World. We are here at the house and we are getting the roof repaired. Watch out for falling shingles. Yeah, Manny is in Denver right now, so he's not here to start the process, but we will show you what the roof is gonna look like. Yeah, woo! Oh boy. It doesn't even look like
Oh, I got in the tiny.
bro, I need your help to move some stuff out of the tiny right now.
Is it like falling through the roof?
Yeah. So be careful with this. Just go ahead and set it and stuff. And we're gonna put it in the workout room. Roofers are about 3/4 of the way done of pulling all the shingles off. As you can tell, there's a lot of mess that's happening around the house, but it's part of the process. You just saw it raining shingles through the tiny house, which I forgot about. So as they're doing that, I'll clean it up later. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain. Knock on wood. They are currently pulling up the dumpster to throw all the shingles in the bin. You want to go take a look at the pile? It's almost as tall as me. Dang. What's up? Welcome to day 2. These guys have started. It is like 8 o'clock in the morning and they're going ham. So I'm taking off for Japan. Manny's gonna be here tomorrow and we're gonna keep this process going.